The kibislimes back with another video. I always do with another. Okay, today it is Saturday, so I am filming. Yes. So today I'm making jiggly slime because I just find that lots like starters but to make jiggly slime and stuff. This is my example. It may not look jiggly from here, but in real life, as you can see, it's very jiggly. I'm sorry if it looks like very rosy red and stuff, because it's actually like a light pink and the camera's just like picking it up right. So let's just get started with the video and what you'll need. I'm sorry, I just made some jiggly slime. What you'll need is a few containers. A few when I mean like two. Sorry, I just need to move the camera up on the back a bit. Okay. Got the right setup. Yes, I'm filming on my floor because that's the only spot I have. I got food dye all over me, like those dots, yeah. A bowl. Another bowl, slime. This is for the slime. Some activator. I am using borax. And it's optional. You guys can use like Starflow, Tide, contact lens solution. You can literally use any option you want. But today I'm using borax because it just works best for me. You need a mixing utensil. I just got this white spoon. Yeah. It's very shiny. Some color. This is optional, and I haven't done color. Oh my god, I'm sorry about that stupid car. It's like I can feel it from upstairs. You'll need color, which is optional. I'm finally using color because I got some more. Yeah. Wait, I forgot something. What was it? Oh yeah, the water. Okay. You need some water. You'll need some water. And I say water like water. I'll just be back and I'll get some water. Okay, for the water there is no exact measurements. Because like you don't need measurements, because it just like depends on how jiggly you want it to be. The more water, the more jiggly it is. So I'm just gonna move this. And why I have two containers is because one's for the story. Yeah. Okay. Next, I'm just gonna move it like I don't need to show all the ingredients. Next, I'll need some water. And I'm just gonna mix it. I get really scared, but then I notice I'm on a board. Like, I don't want to make mess. I'm a well-trained person. So if it's getting like all like crumbly and sticky, like this texture, that is totally like fine and stuff, because it's like melting down the borax for some reason. It just does, and it makes it super sticky, and that's why I wouldn't recommend touching it like I just did. Oh, another thing you'll need something to clean up with, because this part gets very messy. So I'll just keep on adding water and make until it gets into the consistency that I want it to be. Now I'll show you the next step. Okay, so like you add your as you can see, I finished mixing. You add your activator, and you add everything like that until it's like you add your activator, and that's basically how you make jiggly slime. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you have a good day or night wherever you live. Should I start a series on on slimes if I hadn't already said that? Should I start a series, and if I should, leave your suggestion below, and if you do, comment down below what you want me to do next week for a possible shout out.